Tornadoes can be terrifying, and knowing how to protect yourself is crucial. First, it's essential to stay informed. Keep an eye on weather alerts and have a reliable source for updates, whether it's a weather app, a NOAA weather radio, or local news. When a tornado watch is issued, it means conditions are favorable for tornadoes. But when a warning is issued, that's when you need to take action because a tornado has been spotted or indicated by radar. If you find yourself in a situation where a tornado is imminent, your first step is to seek shelter. The safest place is a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you're in a mobile home, abandon it immediately and find a more secure structure. If you're caught outside or in a vehicle, try to find a low-lying area like a ditch to lie down in, covering your head and neck with your arms. It's better to be low and out of the tornado's path than to stay in your car, which can easily be tossed around. Once you're in a safe location, protect yourself from flying debris. Use heavy blankets, mattresses, or even a helmet if you have one. This can help shield you from injuries caused by anything that might be thrown around. Remember, the sound of a tornado can be deafening, often described as a freight train. If you hear that sound, it's time to take cover immediately. After the storm passes, be cautious when exiting your shelter. Look out for downed power lines and avoid walking through floodwaters, as they can be deeper than they appear and may contain hidden dangers. If you're in a community that has been hit, check on your neighbors, especially the elderly or those who might need assistance. It's also wise to have an emergency kit ready. This should include essentials like water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, batteries, a first aid kit, and any necessary medications. Having this kit prepared in advance can make a huge difference in the aftermath of a tornado. Lastly, consider creating a family emergency plan. Discuss where to go and what to do when a tornado warning is issued. Practice drills so everyone knows their role. This preparation can help reduce panic and confusion when seconds count. Tornadoes are unpredictable, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can significantly increase your chances of staying safe. Stay alert, stay informed, and always prioritize your safety and the safety of those around you.